Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever heard about the life cycle of a frog or a butterfly? Yes, you must have heard. But have you ever heard about the life cycle of a chalk? Let us understand this concept with the help of this amazing activity. From your IntelliSmart box, take out Physical and Chemical Changes Activity Kit and Heat and Convection Activity Kit. From the Physical and Chemical Changes Activity Kit, take out the chalks. From the Heat and Convection Activity Kit, take out the food color bottle. You will also need a paper, a plate, a spoon, mortar and pestle, and a glass of water from your home. Place the chalks in the mortar like this. And crush them with a pestle like this. Keep crushing them till you obtain a fine chalk powder. You can also rub the chalks on a metal strainer to obtain a fine chalk powder. Now transfer the chalk powder on a plate. Take a glass half filled with water and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water on the chalk powder to make a dough, like this. Do not add much water as your dough may become liquid. If by chance you add extra water, then leave the mixture for some time so that it dries up. You will require a proper consistency of paste for making chalk. Mix the chalk and water well to form a dough. If you feel the water is less, then you may add a few more drops. Now pour 5 to 6 drops of food color into the dough and mix it well, like this. Now take the dough and roll it between your palms to make a chalk stick. You can also make a roll of paper like this and insert the chalk stick in it so that you get a uniform shape of the chalk. Leave it in the sun for an hour. Wash your hands properly. After an hour, you will observe that the chalk powder has been converted into chalk. When we mix water with the chalk powder, it just changes its state. No new substance is formed, and such changes are called reversible in nature. When we leave the chalk sticks in the sun to dry, the water goes away, evaporates, and it leaves just the chalk behind, just like the previous one is formed. The conversion of chalk sticks into the chalk powder is a physical change, as no new substance is formed. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.